Hi guys, my name's Oliver. I've been detailing for over 7 years now, and yeah, I have a shop here in a small town called Yucca Valley. I'm here in California in the high desert, and I was just polishing this toy hauler, and I started to make a video of it. So I'm removing some oxidation, as you could see back here. This side is already done. The oxidation was removed and it was polished, and this side I haven't touched it yet. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I remove oxidation and polish this gel coat. And for this, so I'm removing oxidation, and these are the products that I use. I've used it for a while now, and I really like them. I've used others, but as of right now, I like this. So this is from 3M. It's a heavy cut, and this one's a medium cut, again from 3M. So this one's gonna be the one that removes oxidation, and this one's the one that polishes it out. And for this I'm using two machines. One is a DeWalt. It's a rotary polisher. This is the one that does the cut. And so I'm always learning, and I'm always finding easier ways to do things faster and better. I used to use a wool pad, and so for today I decided to try something new, and I'm trying out this pad. This is a H2O pad. I've used it in the past, but not for polishing gel coat, but I'm using it now. This is the first time that I'm using it, and I want to say it's way better than the wool pad. If you used the wool pad in the past, this is a bit messy. You get all those fibers on your face, and it goes everywhere. And this right here, none of those. When it starts breaking down, yeah, but it works really good. It's cleaner, it's easier, it's faster. In my opinion, this is H2O. It's a blue compounding pad. It's from Lake Country, and so this one's the one that does the cutting, the one that removes oxidation. And the second one is this one right here. This is a DA. This is the polishing, and I'm also using a compounding H2O from Lake Country pad. And yes, I know it's not a polishing pad, it's a compounding pad, but for this it works really well. So that's the stuff that I'm using. And this is how they look when they're clean up. I've been using it. I just decided to stop to show you guys what I do. And this is how they look when they're clean. This is a 6-inch, this is a 5-inch. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this show you guys how I do it. Again, this is it's a little saturated, but it'll still do the job. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the it's a little shaky. The video might be a little shaky because I'm on top of a scaffold. A scaffold is a must-have for polishing RVs. But yeah. So hopefully I catch this on the camera. As you can see, this is the line. So all that area is done, and this is where I'm gonna start polishing. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that in the camera, but there is a little trick here. The way that I'm checking if it's time to stop using the polishing is that the residue that the pad is creating. So I'm checking to see until it's almost gone. And when it's almost gone, when you could barely see some of the compounding residue, that's when I stop, and that's when I know it's ready. And when you're doing it, you'll be able to tell. So it's ready for the polishing. And for this, I'm going to be using the DA with the 5-inch pad. and I'm gonna be using the medium. Sorry if the video is a little shaky, I'm gonna scaffold it. It's almost gone. I'll get some more. Okay. And that's how I remove oxidation and polish it out. So yeah guys, this is a new channel, so if you guys want to get any more tips like this, I've been doing it for over 7 years, and this is my full-time thing. Yeah, I've learned a lot from experience, and also same thing from going to YouTube and learning from other people, but of course I have to use my own techniques, because it's a little different when you watch it on YouTube and then you start doing it in real life. But yeah, that's what I do it. That's how I do it, and it's worked out for me. And as you could see, the difference. So if you check that area, all that section is done. So yeah, and then this side. And as you could see, I still need all that area, and down there, that's it's done. But yeah. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel if you wanna if you want to learn some new techniques, or if you want to better your techniques, or if you want to learn how to polish something like this. But yeah, again, my name is Oliver, and thank you. And if you have a question, please leave a comment and I'll make sure to reply. Thank you.